means they can't.
Okay. This time it's a little complicated,
Yeah.
so
Sehr.
so bear with us, okay?
That's fine.
Something, yeah, something is wrong because it's not you.
It's a mute means they can't hear
I know, but
us.
it's mute. I have the thing there. Right?
Yeah,
It puts a red line. It didn't mute.
thank you. Good.
Okay, tell me if you don't hear sound. Good people, I'll sing you a story of heroes and villains, of sorrow and glory. It's called the Megillah, the story of old. And when a tailor tells it, it's told as it ought to be told. Seid jeden schauen still, seid jeden schauen still, seid jeden schauen still. Wir fangen an dem Porenspiel. A Porenspiel in Rahmen, wo sorgen tausend Damen. A Porenspiel in Rahmen, wo sorgen tausend Damen. Seid jeden schauen still, seid jeden schauen still, seid jeden schauen still. Wir fangen an dem Porenspiel. There will be King Achashverosh with his red wine-pickled nose. There will be Vashti, his queen, who wouldn't take off her clothes. There's Mordecai, the wise one, the wheeler and the dealer, and Esther, the ripe fruit of Judah. What man wouldn't die just to peel her? Then, of course, there is Haman, unspeakable Haman, so mean and so sneaky and gruff, that no matter how deep he lies buried, it'll never be deep enough. Wer es wird es lehnen, wird wie a Biber weinen.
Und wer es wird es hören, wird lachen mit Tränen.
Und gehen sie alle stille, die Helden von der Megille.
Achashverosh der König, was wieviel trinkt, ist ein wenig.
Esther a Balke de Grine, und Vashti in der Krenoline.
Mordche der Chuchematik.
En homene Osche, der Latik.
Sehr stimmach Schäfe, und schellt wie am Geife.
Bei Susu der Redakter, was sagt der Scheinig Hakter?
Und wie bin ihr?
Und zwischen die alle Größelei steht fast Rigosse, beiderseits.
Und zwischen die alle Größelei steht fast Rigosse beiderseits.
Wird euch allein erzählen.
Was tut im Noten quälen?
Ich will euch allein erzählen, was tut mich Nogen quälen.
Und zwischen die alle Größelei steht fast Rigosse beiderseits.
A Kitzer, die alle Sachen, auf zum Weinen und zum Lachen. Und neu wir sogar liegen, Herz und Wärts an Schwiegen. Now you might say, big deal, the Megillah, I heard this story long ago. But the real hero of the Megillah was Fastrigosse the tailor. And this I bet you didn't know.
Seid jeden schauen still, seid jeden schauen still, seid jeden schauen still. Wir fangen an dem Porenspiel. A Porenspiel in Rahmen, wo sorgen tausend Damen.
A Porenspiel in Rahmen, wo sorgen tausend Damen.
Seid jeden schauen still, seid jeden schauen still, seid jeden schauen still. Wir fangen an dem Porenspiel.
Okay. So today we are doing just the Megillah leader from Manger. Well, it's not all of it because it's too long, so I just selected a few poems and a few songs to go with it. So let's start at the beginning, das Lied von Läufer. So who is going to start reading? Brenda, can you start reading? And guys, Michael muted all of you. So when you start reading,
Okay.
just unmute yourself, okay?
Okay, kannst du hören mir?
Yes, we can hear him.
Der Lied von dem Läufer. Seid ihr jeden, schau und still. Wir fangen an dem Purimspiel. The song from, and I don't know what Läufer is.
Läufer is a runner. Läufer is
Messenger.
A runner.
he's a runner,
Okay.
so he's the
Song
one that
from a runner. Okay, so be quiet, Jews, quiet and still. We're beginning the Purimspiel. Met
go on.
a Purimspiel is in Grammen, was hat 1000 Themen. So a Purimspiel in rhyme that has 1,000 verses. Themen.
No, Tamen.
Taste.
Tam, taste.
Oh, a taste. Okay. Wer servet es wer servet es lernen vet wie Biber weinen. So who will learn?
No,
Whoever will learn with us,
Read.
learn.
No.
Read.
Leinen, read. Oy veyes me. Read will be back.
I think baby.
A beaver.
the beaver, an animal, the animal.
A beaver.
A beaver.
Weinen, cry.
Yes, he
Oh,
will cry like a beaver.
Oh.
Does a beaver, there is
Okay.
something
Is
to
that
do
an
with
idiom?
Yes,
Must
it
be.
is. This is Karen. There's an idiom, weinen wie a Biber, to cry one's eyes out.
oh,
okay.
dank.
Thanks,
Grüße,
Karen.
dank.
Good.
Und
Thank you.
wer servet es hören, wird lachen mit Tränen. And who will hear it will laugh with tears.
And the other two sentences and that's it.
Okay. At gehen sie alle stille. Everyone goes quietly. Die Helden von der Megillah, the heroes from the Megillah.
Okay, thank you. Thank you.
Okay.
What, Brenda?
No, now I can read it. I started, I didn't understand it, but that's enough. Genug von mir.
Okay, thank you. Elaine, can you continue?
Okay. Achashverosh the Koenig was wiffel trinkt or is im wenig. Achashverosh the king was drinking so much. He was drunk. Wenig, I don't know what wenig is.
Too little.
No,
Too little.
no matter how much he drank, it wasn't enough.
Yes.
Okay. Esther Hamalka, die Grine und Vashti in der Krinolina. Okay, so Esther, Esther the queen, I don't know what green, the green one? I don't know, green.
The green one, the new, like.
Oh, the
like-
new one. Okay, the new one. Okay. And Vashti in her crinoline.
Yes, in the crinoline.
All right. Mordechai der Chacham Atik. Atik. Is it the same as the Hebrew?
Attic. Yes.
Attic.
the-
Atik. Okay. Und Haman Harosha der Latik. Mordechai, the old wise one, and Haman, the evil one. What's Latik? I don't know.
What is latte, guys?
I think maybe a tailor. A latte?
Oh, no.
Somebody who fixes a latte?
A vagrant or a bum.
Oh,
Oh, a
yeah.
bum,
okay.
a bum.
Okay, but we forgot, guys. Whenever woman,
Haman, boo.
oh, yeah. Okay.
Okay, you want me to continue?
Another 2 lines, yeah.
Okay. Zeresh, the Machshefa,
Yeah, Machshefe.
Vashel via Magefa.
Yeah.
Zeresh, I think that was Haman's wife.
Yes.
I don't know what Machshefa is.
Which?
Oh, witch. Okay. Who
Curses.
she's like a plague.
She curses.
Curses.
Oh, she curses like a plague?
Yes, she
Right.
curses like a plague. Yes.
Oh.
Okay. Thank you, Elaine. Bob? Vaizata is one of one of Oben's children. Is the smallest.
Vaizata, the Redactor.
Redactor.
Redactor. Was hakt steinig hakte.
Was acta chainik actor.
Acta chainik hakte. So Vaizata is what, a child, what?
The redactor. He is a redactor. He is the redactor of a newspaper.
He's the editor.
Oh,
He's
the
the
editor.
editor.
Oh, Vaizata,
He's the editor.
Was hakt
What is
Vaizata is a name. That's
His name.
A name. That's
the
one
editor
of
is boring everybody. Hacking and Shinek. He's hacking everyone in Shinek with, I don't know, boring, dulling, or
that's is the editor, Shushan News. It's Shushan. Yeah. Okay, go on.
Isn't it more like annoying?
Acta Chinik? Yeah.
Just beating up, hacking and Chinik is annoying everybody, I think. No,
They're talking endlessly.
Yeah, just boring.
Talking nonsense.
These two.
In Swischel, die aller große Leid steht fast Vertrinsche.
No. Fastrigose.
Gosse.
Okay, Fastrigose. Go on.
Fastringose by their Zeit. So in between all of the lights words, excitement.
No.
Important people. Among the important people.
Oh, Leiter, yeah. Okay. In between, among all the important people, should I screams for?
No.
Stands for, yes, stays fast. Teresa, say that again.
Fastrigose.
By the time, what is that?
Is among all those great people, Fastrigose is standing aside. Now, Fastrigose is the hero of Manger's Megillah.
And the word fastrigeven means to make a basting stitch. He's a tailor.
He's a tailor.
Stands a tailor among, aside from all of them.
From all of them.
Yeah.
So he's, Manger's Megillah is a bit different because here the main character is Fastrigose, the tailor, and his love for Esther. And so they were planned to get married and so on, but then Mordechai came and said, no, you have to go, save your people, and so on. So he's the hero of the Megillah, of this Megillah. Okay, just another 2 lines.
Yeah, Evete Elaine, their Tzalin, he will tell us, he will alone tell us, tell everybody,
Yes.
Vetstut nons.
Nogan.
Nonen Kvelen. He alone will tell everybody what to do, what's to be done.
No.
What
bothers him and what
Noggin, like niggling him and making him uncomfortable.
Yeah.
Oh.
Words. So he will tell us what's bothering him, what makes him.
I see. He will tell us what's bothering him.
Sheikh Kvelin.
Kvelin.
Yeah, the shoes are bothering me. They're uncomfortable.
Okay. Thank you, Bob. Thank you.
Sorry.
Alvin, can you continue, Alvin?
Zu die alle Sachen euch zum Weinen, euch zum Lachen. So what does Hakitzur mean?
Shortly. Akitzer, shortly.
Okay, shortly they'll all laugh and cry. I really don't get the point. Oh, cry and laugh.
Yeah, they will tell us if to cry or to laugh.
Bichel gefunden, nimmt sie euch gut und Sinnen. I can't translate that.
Maurice, can you please?
You'll find all this in the little book. Take it all well into your heads. Remember it all.
Thought. Like, food for thought.
Yeah. Go on, Alvin, finish this poem.
Zog euch algen, Herz und wenn's anschwiegen. Yeah. And if I tell you a lie, help me.
Listen and be quiet.
Okay.
Okay, so let's continue. Michael, the second one, I think the second one also is it's a song, so we can listen.
Was hat gesagt?
Sagt der Melech, Schicker, de Augen voll mit Tränen.
Oi, die Malke wascht schein wie der lichtige Morgenstern. 2 Zepp bis die Knie und a Leib weiß wie Schnee. Und Augen ist a Por, Chotsch, geh euch noch sehen.
Schmeichel Tomen Chitre, wo der König du mein. Los die Malke kommen an Nackete zu gehen. Wollen die alles Rohres, die euch gestellte Parscheunen, sehen ihre Schönheit und gaffen und steunen. Sogt der Melech Schicker.
Und das ist mein Begehr. Die Malke soll techef kommen an Nackete her.
Läufen die Stafetten und kommen zurück zu gehen. Der Malke, Vashti, tun weh die Zähne.
Ach so.
Schmeichel Tomen Chitre. Hat euch die König nein? Saterets war der Benzlicht, der Meister mit den Zähnen.
Du soll man sie bringen! Als nicht, wird man sie schießen, hängen.
Läufen die Stafetten und kommen bald wieder. Mit klappen dicke Zähne und zitterdicke Glieder. Die Malke hat verriegelt aus 7 ringelnde Tier und durch Asparune war vorhin zu dir.
Der Melech ist ein Schicker und dazu ein Scheute. Tut sich noch blamieren für alle fremde Leute.
Sagt ein Sart zum Zweiten, es ist schon Zeit zu gehen. Mein alte Kerschein Wortchen, sie liegt im Bett allein.
A Dritter nimmt dem Säger von Westeltascha Reus.
Tun alle um die Zylinders und scharren sich stiller Reus.
Ja, man wird sie schießen, hängen.
Okay, so that's the song of Vashti, according to Itzik Manger. I wanted to ask, does anyone know what really happens to Vashti? I don't think there is any mention of her in the Megillah afterwards. Does anyone know?
Yeah, we looked it up, Minna.
Yeah.
And it looks like in the Talmud they said she was killed, but not in the Megillah.
Not in the Megillah. In the Megillah, she vanishes. Yeah, there is no
Yeah.
reference for her afterwards.
But
So
in
in
the,
the-
in the Talmud, but nicht in the Megillah.
Okay. Okay, thank you. Okay, Rafael, will you start reading?
The Melech's Suda, the king's feast. Sagt der Melech Schicker, the Eugenful Metrechen, the drunk king says with his eyes full of tears, Die Malke Vashti shines wie der lichtiger Morgenstern. My queen Vashti, she shines like the brilliant morning star. Zwei Zepp bis die Knie und a Leib, weiß wie Schnee. Two braids down to her knees and a body white as snow. Und eigenes Aporchotschke ois noch sei. And her eyes, a pair of eyes, you could just die for them. Schmeichelt Homen Chitra, the sly Haman smiles.
Sorry.
Vater König, du mein. My father, king, it's hard to put this all together into English. You, my king. Los die Malke kommen a nakete zu gehen. Let the queen come naked. Wellen die alles Röhres, die hochgestellte Parscheunen sehen ihre Schönheit und gaffen und steunen. All of the princes or the court people, the people who are in high position, they will see her beauty. Now, this is kind of Germanic, Schönheit. Munger loves to change Yiddish into other languages to indicate who's speaking. And they will gasp and they will be astounded. Sagt der Melech Schicker, so the king, drunk, says, Und das is mein Begehr, and that's my will. Die Malke soll taketh, kommen a naketa her. The queen should immediately come naked hither.
Rafael, finish it because it's lovely the way you read it. So please go on.
Läuft die Stafetten und kommen zurück zu gehen. Der Malke Vashti tun weh die Zehn. The heralds run and they come back and they say, For Queen Vashti, her teeth are hurting. Shmeichel Tomen Chitra. Cunning Haman smiles. Adoni Koenig, name. My master, king, it's not true. Sateretz far die benschlich die meise mit die Zehn. This is just a silly excuse. Literally an answer before lighting candles. A quick answer. This story about the teeth. Sagt der Melech Schicker. Ta, soll man sie bringen? The king, drunk, says, so they should bring her. As nicht, wird man sie schießen, hängen. If not, then we'll have to both shoot her and hang her. Laufen die Stafetten und kommen bald wieder. The heralds run and come back soon. Mit klappendicke Zehen und zitternde Glieder. With teeth clattering and with limbs trembling. Die Malke hat verriegelt auf 7 Regeln die Tier. The queen has chained with 7 chains her door. Und durch a Sparuna befeuern sie dir. And through a crack she has commanded to you. Der Melech is a Schicker und der zu a Scheute. The king is a drunkard. And what's more, he's a blockhead. Tut sich bloß blamieren für alle fremde Leute. He just embarrasses himself for all of the other people. How am I going to translate fremd here? The strangers, in front of all strangers. Leute, of course, is Germanic for light. And now on the next page, Zogt ein Sar zum Zweiten. So one of the viewers says to another, es ist schon Zeit zu gehen. It's maybe time to go. Mein alte Kerschön Wortchen. My wife, he calls her my old one, most likely she's grumbling. Sie liegt in Bett allein. She's just lying in bed by herself. A dritter nimmt dem Säger von Westeltasche raus. And a third courtier takes his pocket watch out of his vest pocket. This is, of course, anachronistic, which is what Munger loves to do. Mm-hmm. Tun alle on die Zylinders. Everyone puts on a top hat und scharren sich stille raus. And they creep silently away.
Thank you. It's lovely. Those songs are really lovely. Okay, so this is from another Purim Spiel. It's a Gilbert and Sullivan Purim Spiel. In the old time when we used to come together before Zoom, before the Magefe, we did it in our class. And we tried to sing along. It wasn't always very successful, but we tried, and it's a lot of fun. It's a lot of fun. But here I chose the song that tells us what is the Iches von Esther. And the Iches von Esther are all the Yiddish writers. And so let's see, and it comes with pictures of the Yiddish writers. So let's listen to it and look at the Iches.
Sis Baruchov und Schindumnov und Kadja Maladovsky, Ignatov und Marinov, Minsky und Zhitlowski, Aschen Apatashu, Jehoish und Warschawski, und Lutzki, Slutsky und Prilutsky, Beizud, Bialystotsky. Alef Glanz und Ehrenkranz, Ansky und Miranski, Nadia Bade und Avade, Grade und Smilanski, Edelstadt und Jankiv, Pinsky und Kaminski, Perlovdim of Kosovkov, Jumschinsky, Perlovdim of Kosakov, Duntimsky und Rumschinsky, Perlovdim of Kosakov, Dubinsky und Rumschinsky, Perlovdim of Kosakov, Dubinsky und Rumschinsky. Rosenfeld, Grossenheld, Siegel, Spiegel, Bialik, Kopolov und Leolov und Maestro Eugene Malik, Mani Leben, Moshe Leben, Yitzchak Leibisch Peretz, jetzt weißt du schon in Jiches, ist Habsche der Cheretz. Mani Leben, Moshe Leben, Yitzchak Leibisch Peretz, jetzt weißt du schon in Jiches, ist Habsche der Cheretz. Einstein, Weidstein, gib uns Reichstein, Palewski, Tomaszewski, Abramowitsch, Rabinovich, Ravitsch und Winchewski, Alef Katz, Jankiv, Gladstein und Katzenelsen, wer ist kluger, so wie früh genug, ist unser Mendelssohn. Sieben Lippen, wer geblieben, Sivien nicht vergessen. Salmen, Schnee, Eisig, Meer, Dick und Bickel, Jessen. Rochel, Korn und Arnton und ja, wie heißt der Eichim? Eische, Meische und Bereiche, Shalom Aleichem. 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 Joel Slonim, Joch Konim, Chasen Kusawitzki, Euerbach und noch die Brüder Locholitzki. Das ist Esther Jiches, das ist Esther aus Nadan, der Melech Achashverosh wird sie kriegen für einen Mann. Das ist Esther Jiches, das ist Esther aus Nadan, der Melech Achashverosh wird sie kriegen für einen Mann. Liebe Leid, allen Zeiten darf man euch ermahnen, aber am Reisen alle Wesen, Lewig und Orchanien. Das Gesang von Itzek Manges Lied von der Megille, wie ein Wunder ist Sekunde und sein stille Twille. Mischt dem Gold von Goldfaden und Silberzeit zusammen, Adler, Kester, Lebedev und Herrschbein mit die Dramen. Segel, Segalowitschen, es ist noch nicht kein Eck, Schwarz und Weiß und Grünberg und ein bisschen Lemlotek. Segel, Segalowitschen, es ist noch nicht kein Eck, Schwarz und Weiß und Grünberg und ein bisschen Lemlotek.
Okay.
That's wonderful.
Yeah,
I don't remember it.
Now I know what we have to do. We have to read all of these writers. So, one by one. Okay. This is a wonderful song, and it's Eleanor Mlotek.
Delicious.
Put the words to the, yeah. Okay, we are not going to read it because, you know, it's a list of names, so we will just move on to the other, yeah. Esther Greizig zu Melech. Okay. Karen, will you start, Karen?
Yes. Esther Greizig zu Melech. Esther prepares her, gets ready for the king.
Yes.
Esther steht vor dem Spiegel, schlank. Esther stands in front of the mirror, schlank. I don't know what that means. Schlank.
Does it mean the wardrobe, the mirror on the wardrobe, or the mirror on the closet?
Oh, the schlank. Thank you.
Schlank is make her skinny, no? Schlank is not skinny? I don't think so.
Well, I'll go on then.
Yeah, go on.
In a blauen Sammetkleid, in a blue velvet dress, die Perl Blitzchen auf ihr Hals. The pearl shines on her throat. Und die murmelt, und sie murmelt Stillenheit, and she murmurs quietly.
Oh, so just a moment. Schlank is slim.
Okay.
So so that's, I think, what Millie said, that she.
Slim. Yes, yeah. Exactly.
Yeah. Okay.
Thank you.
Thank you. Die Leitzim. Die Leitzim, die Purim Spieler. I don't know Leitzim people.
Lazy like clowns.
Clowns, the Purim Spielers, sie sagen, as ich bin green, as that they say that I am new green. Esther, I'm sorry,
Asur.
Asur.
It's forbidden.
Oh, forbidden. Taka nor ich allein. Really, only I myself weiß, wie schön ich bin. Only I myself know how beautiful I am.
So, Karen, just a moment before you continue. Ech. Has anyone heard it before?
It's Warsaw.
It's yeah, but also in the Rabbeinu Tam is also using it. Unech bibin. So it's
big.
I heard it. My parents used to say ech, but my father was from Warsaw, so that's it. So it's not an ich, it's an ech. Okay, go on, Karen.
Es dunkelt der alte Nossenbaum. It is dark. It's dark.
It's getting dark, yeah.
The old something tree. Nut tree.
I don't know. What is Nussenbaum? Someone knows what is a Nussenbaum?
A nut tree?
Maybe. Okay, go on, Karen. I will look.
Oh, thank you. Deutsch mir in Fenster rein. Something inside the window. I don't know Deutsch. No, Reutsch mir.
Just a moment. It says Nussentree. It says nut tree.
Yeah.
Reutsch mir in Fenster rein.
Roish is like the sound of the wind.
Oh, so Mead tired inside the window. I'm sorry, I don't know what that means.
So the old nut tree is tired. He makes a tired
sound.
A tired sound.
It's like Roshan is like the sound of the wind. So the old nut tree is making the sound of the wind. Her window.
Thank you. Wo ist der Vetter? She. Ha, wo kann sein? Where is your uncle Mordechai? Ha, where can he be?
Okay, and the next one?
Der Vetter ist der verreutelt sich. My uncle is there something?
Blushing. She's blushing.
Blushed. Dreht sich in Malach's Häuf. He's turning himself in the king's courtyard. Dort führen
Shadchainim. Matchmakers. Shadchainim.
von Iberal. There he's making
No, the matchmakers are leading the Shenstep Tuiles to Neu. They are leading and gathering the most beautiful virgins because they are bringing them to the king.
Oh, die Shenstep
Tuiles
to Neu. Thank you. Gathering.
Okay. Thank you, Karen. Thank you. Naomi, would you like to continue? Naomi, Naomi, do you hear me? Okay, Barbara, please. You are muted, so.
Okay. Und du alter Nussenbäum, wel euch het gehen ahin. And so what did we say ech was again? It's not I.
I.
Oh, it is I. And you old nut tree. And you also want to come in or go.
No, I will.
No, I will go
will.
there.
Oh, and I will euch het gehen ahin. Savor, or Savor, du alter Nussenbaum, als bin Tag grün. And is it true? Is that what you're saying? Savor?
Yes.
Du old nut tree, that I am taka a greener, an uninitiated one.
Okay. Yeah, go on.
Oh, Tritt der Vetter Mordechai geht. Tritt mean here step aside or what?
Yeah, no. Maurice, yeah, you wanted to.
Steps. She's hearing steps.
All right, steps. And der Vetter Mordechai geht is walking. Mitten Scherem in der Hand. With an umbrella in his hand. Sein Spitzeker, Heuker, shortened sich. The pointed tip, is that it, of the umbrella?
No, Oiker.
Hunchback.
Is that his hunchback? Oh,
yes.
His pointed hunchback shortened sich. I don't know what shorten means. To afflicts or
no.
Shadows him?
It makes a shadow.
Makes a shadow. Und springt von Wand zu Wand and jumps from wall to wall. Okay, thank you.
No, go on.
Oh, Kranz das Bärdl und sagt, and he strokes his little beard and he says, Nu, Esther, bist schön, gereit? Is that right? Great?
Great.
Yeah, so Esther, are you ready? Sepas dir keine Hore.
Yeah.
Yes, kind. It's a fitting for you, in a horror with no evil eye, child. Dos bloya samet clay, that you should be wearing, or that you should have the blue velvet dress, or put on your blue velvet dress.
Okay, thank you, Barbara.
Thank you.
Mariv, yes.
Yeah, isn't that interesting? The hunchback with the shadow. Remember we saw that in the Isaac Meyer Dick story?
Yes, you're right.
I wonder what the source of both of them are. Is there something in the Torah or something?
Or maybe something that he saw in the street, who knows?
That's cool. Yeah, go look for that one.
Yeah, who knows? Maybe it's something he saw in the street. Yeah. Michael, can you read?
Ja.
Okay, go.
Okay. Der Melech wird hogeren noch dir. Ausgehen noch rein deine Tritt. So the king will, what is pogren?
He will die for you. Pagren.
Okay. Oh, of course. Yeah. Right. Okay. So the king would die for you. Ausgehen noch deine. He would. He would faint. Somebody help me there.
because of the way you walk, I guess. Right?
Okay, so he would go crazy, or he would faint over your way of walking. Wie du zest mich leben Esther und wie ich bin Ayid. So how
it's like so help me God, or I think so.
Okay. Yeah,
I think so. So as you see me alive and as I am a Jew, the king will be crazy after you.
Okay, that makes sense.
Wörterbuch says echt is alas, like alas. Alas.
No, that's
Not in this case.
Not in this case.
No, it's interesting.
In this case, it's me and I.
But okay, yeah.
It's a dialectical form from Central Poland.
Okay, nu Esther al mit dem rechten Fuß. Sie scharren sich still heraus. So nu Esther, with your right foot, but that means something else, right?
Yeah. With the right foot, it means you should. It's kind of good luck.
Yeah. Okay.
Good luck. Start your journey with the right foot. Like
and
good luck.
Was it Scharren? Scharren sich?
Like it's not sleep. Rafael, help me out. It's like to go like this.
Yeah, to creep out is what I said before. Yeah.
Okay. Oisscharren. Okay, so so they quietly creep out. Der kleine Vetter mit dem Korb und Esther schlank und groß. So the little uncle with the Horb.
What is Horb?
Hunchback.
Oh, that's right. Okay. So the little uncle with the hunchback and Esther schlank.
Slim.
Sleek.
Oh, slim and maybe tall. I don't think
tall.
Grace.
Slim and tall.
I wouldn't say big in this case.
Yeah, no, slim and tall.
Slender and tall.
Yeah.
Okay.
Okay.
That's it.
So we are jumping to Der Melech Achashverosh noch Natentat. If you remember from the Megillah, so there were two guards that planned to kill Achashverosh, and Mordechai heard the plot and told it to the king, and that's how the king was saved, and Mordechai got the king's ear. So Der Melech Achashverosh nach Natentat, and that's a wonderful song, I think. So let's listen to it.
Zu leben auf der Erde, zu trinken Wein und zu holen und kochen mit der Schwert. Ai, ai.
Is this the correct one?
Yes, it is. It starts that way, but it'll
and then it'll get into these words.
Yeah, that happens to be part of the second verse.
Oh, okay, good. All right.
Oi, was wohl gewinn a Steiger, wenn ein beschugener junger Mann wollt mich auf Teuter hargit, was wohl gewesen dann? Ai, ai. Ich wollt hat Sinn gelegen, nein, in tief und drehr, und nicht gesehen die Sterne, die Vögel nicht gehört. Oi, 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 oi. Same Chayke, Amme Chayke, zu leben auf der Erde, zu trinken Wein und zu holen und fochen mit der Schwert. Ai, ai. Mein Esther wollt gegangen, a Juren Tror gehielt, und Efscher nicht nur Teike, mit der zweiten Liebe gespielt. Ai, ai.
zu mir wohl gekommen Vashti.
Kotzelkind, mein Mann. Was macht denn das, mein Kanarikel? Der spielt auf meinem Fortepiano.
Oi, 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 oi. Sie schon weg, die Paskutstwe. Same Chaye, am Chaye, zu leben auf der Erde, zu trinken Wein und zu holen den Fochen mit der Schwert. Ai, ai. Gerecht ist Hacke Hummen, mit darf machen an Eck. Morgen nein nur Teke, schick ich die Briefe weg. Ai, ai. Ihr setzt sich weg beim Schreibtisch, in Atem schweren Tief. Ihr speier rein in Tinter, und Chasme unter dem Brief. Ai, 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 ai. Same Chaye, am Chaye, zu leben auf der Erde, zu trinken Wein und zu holen den Fochen mit der Schwert.
Okay, so let's read it. Rochelle, please, Rochelle. You're muted. Michael muted everyone, so please unmute.
Okay, der Melech Achashverosh noch ein Attentat. And what is Attentat again?
The rebellion.
The assassinator.
Okay. Der Melech steht in die Gatkes.
Yes, in the Gatkes.
Beim offenen Fenster in Tracht. Und Tracht. So he's standing in his underwear by the open window and thinking.
Yes.
So viel lichtige Sterne vermacht die...
Vermogt.
What?
Vermogt.
Vermacht.
Gimel.
I lost my place.
It's a Gimel, vermogt.
Oh, vermogt. Okay. Where am I? Oh,
Yes.
vermogt die Sommernacht. He's standing by the window and thinking there are so many stars in the summer sky. Atemt auf.
Tief.
Atemt auf.
Tief. Atemt tief.
Tief.
Oh, tief. Machi, I don't know the word. Machia?
Machaya.
Oh, he takes a deep breath with pleasure. To lachen auf der, to leben auf der Erde, to live on this earth, to trinken Wein und zu hören und fachen mit der Schwert. To drink wine and to, I don't know what hören is.
I don't know.
It's
To
to
run after
frequent.
whores.
Yeah, run after whores.
To run
after
Although
whores.
the singer made it a different word. He said hulien, but the original here is horen.
Okay, and hören auf fochen mit der Schwert and playing or
yes,
whatever with his sword.
With the sword, yeah.
Okay, I can't see the next line.
You're going.
Und was wollt gewinn als Steiger, wenn der beschugene junger Mann wollt ihm auf Teut der Hergener, der Harget, was wollt gewesen denn? What would have happened? What would have been the result?
A Steiger is, for example.
Or an example, when the crazy young man would have killed him, what would have happened then? wollte Zinn gelegen beim Eilen tief in Dread. He would have been in the earth alone, underneath the earth.
9 Elin is 9 cubits.
Oh, 9 cubics, okay.
It's like 9
9 feet under.
9 feet under, exactly.
Yeah, he would have been 9 feet under und wollte nicht gesehen die Sterne, and he wouldn't have seen the stars, und die Vögel nicht gehört, and he wouldn't have heard the birds. Sein Esther wollte öfter gegangen, a Jahr in Treue gehielt. His Esther would maybe have been sad or mourning for a year. Und öfter nicht, and maybe not. Öfter tehikif.
Takef.
I don't know what that means.
Immediately.
Oh, and maybe immediately mit a zweiten a Liebe gespielt, and maybe she would have dated or gone out with a different lover immediately.
Yeah, okay. Thank you, Rochelle. David.
I can translate better than I can read.
Yeah, but you read okay. David, please.
Yeah.
Yeah.
So, wollte gekommen Blois Vashti. To him would only come Vashti. So Kulzel kommt, mein Mann. Well, how do you translate to Kulzel? That's look who's coming now.
Yeah.
I mean, was macht etwas, mein Kanarikel? What's happening now, my little
Canary.
Canary?
Canary,
Little bird?
yeah.
Und wer spielt auf mein Fortepian? And who plays on my, I guess it's type of piano, right?
Mm-hmm. Yes.
Schleudert, gerecht, he's homen, schleudert, he's like shakes.
Shuddering.
Shuddering, yeah, shake, yeah. And gerecht, justified is like it's right is homen. Man darf taka machen an ek. One must indeed make an end, come to the end, I guess. Morgen noch, nein, taka take tomorrow, perhaps still, no, right now, indeed right now. Schickt die Brief weg, he sends the letters away. Soll nicht meinen die Jüdes und sie sei a Purim-Spiel. And so the Jew shall not think that it is for them a Purim-Spiel. Vermacht Pamelech das Fenster, die Luft wird feucht und kühl. He's closing slowly the window, the air becomes damp and cool. Noch a Strophe, yeah. Setzt sich weg beim Schreibtisch. He sits down by the desk und atmet schwer und tief, and breathes hard and deep. Speit rein in Tinter. He spits around in the
ink.
Spinks right into the ink. And Hasamet unter die Brief. Is it he's dipping or spitting into the ink?
He's spitting.
I guess to maybe make the ink wet again. No.
Yeah.
Yeah. To get some little more ink in order to sign Hasamet unter die Brief, to sign the letter.
Okay. Thank you.
Let me just point out that in this story, what has happened right before that is Fastragosa, who's in love with Esther, has tried to kill the king. That was the attentat, the assassination attempt. And so now this is as a result of that assassination attempt, Achashverosh has decided to go ahead with the decree to kill the Jews.
Yeah. Okay, I didn't bring the Fastrigos song because it's a very sad song, and well, it's Purim, so I didn't want to bring any sad song. So, okay, Anita, Mordechai Tzadik der Stadlen. Can you read, Anita?
Mordechai hastig der what?
Stadlen.
Stadlen. What is that? Mordechai is the yeah, I know the hero.
Yeah, but how to translate Stadlen?
Like a intercessor, intermediate,
Intercessor,
negotiator.
good.
It's the court Jew.
Who said that was a good one?
The court Jew.
God. No.
Okay.
The Mordechai is Mir. The Mordechai is Mir.
Is mid. Is
tired.
Is tired. Yes.
Yeah.
Unhappy. Tired.
Nor Rekmen kommt. Nor who kommt? Nor Rekmen
Rak. Rak is the same as Nor, just the Hebrew version only.
Oh, Raketmen kommen.
Kommt.
Who are the Raketmen?
Rak is like no, only.
Oh, only men kommen.
Only
Okay.
men come. So like
Kommen.
people are coming to him.
Only men. The Mordechai Deutsch Tuba.
Tutsa toive. Reb Mordechai, tutsa toive.
Tute Toive. The Malach Asad.
Malke Esther.
Esther soll sein gesund. Okay, so is doch etwas enkert Kruba.
A Kroive.
A Kroive. So what is it? I can.
It's like people are coming to him and they're telling him, make us a favor. The Queen Esther, shall she be healthy? She's your relation. So people are coming and asking for favor.
I see. Okay.
It so remind me of Israel that I had to bring it to you. It's just, that's what is, that's how people are.
The politics.
Yeah.
Malach Esther soll sein gesund. Sie can bei Malach Pulen. So they ask favors. Sie soll sein gesund. Soll
Bevatel machen.
Dem gesund.
Dem Geiser.
Oh, dem Geiser. Was hat dort allein befeuillen.
Okay, but here they are not asking for themselves, they are asking for Klal Yisrael, for all the Jews. So.
Okay.
So.
That's all. Very, very difficult.
It is, yeah. You want to continue or not?
Oh, no, I think I'll...
Okay, thank you, Anita. Hilda, you're still here? Hilda, I see you.
I think she left.
No, I see her, I don't know. Henrietta, can you try?
Reb Mordechai Cox.
Correct.
He's sighing.
Yeah.
Stehen vor ihm und in die Tausender.
Yes.
Kremetz Jeden. They're stand before him, right?
Yes.
Thousands of what kind of Jews?
Kremers Eden, shop Jews.
Shop Jews. Ah, Kremers. Okay, I got that. They Svetzen.
17.
They're sighing.
They sigh, 17. Mhm.
Ach, to not to that's
Gotten you.
not to you.
Gotten you. Oh, you God.
Oh, he's saying, oh, yeah, it's, oh, I'm so sad. Men treibt uns von der Juriden. They're driving us away from what?
There.
From the markets, yeah.
From the market.
You want to continue?
I can struggle a little more if you can bear.
Okay, another. Okay, good, Henrietta.
Was darf man mehr? What more do we need? Der alte Rab hat erst mit ihm eingetendet. Oh, he argued.
Yes.
So the old rabbi began to argue with him.
Mhm.
Es stehen sich Gzeres auf Kalal
Israel. Schiffen sich Gzeres auf Kol Israel.
You will have to translate that.
Okay, so there are Gzeres, how do you say? Laws, decrees over all of Israel.
Und man weiß nicht der Fälle von Wanter. We don't even know from where it came.
From where it came, yes. Okay, thank you. Marsha, can you read?
Is Merchetz Shtus
Shmuest
Ms. Yakbi as Ed he haste dart Chaman. Is that Chaman or no?
Yeah,
Chaman Harusha noch as die Malche Zuchar
Esther.
Oh, Malche she's a woman is say a queen Esther soll sein gesund wird Wellen I'm not sure that word, I can't read it.
Nicht kasche.
Nicht no nicht kasche.
Nicht kasche. Maurice, can you read it again and translate it, please?
I don't know what that second word is.
In Merchatz, in the bathhouse. The bathhouse in the Merchatz.
Oh, so they're talking in the bathhouse that, what's his name there? Homan HaHosha? And as the Malka Esther, that Queen Esther, may she be healthy if she wants it, and things will be okay. In other words, she can make things better, even though they're passing these decrees against the Jews.
Okay. Neely, can you read the next one?
Yes, what is Nishkashe?
How to translate Nishkashe?
All right. Means
not
all
bad.
Also. What?
Again, only Raphael.
it means something like all right. So that whole verse is a little difficult because it's broken discourse. They're saying, as it were, that maybe that Haman fellow, but whatever the queen will do, maybe it'll be okay.
Okay, I will read and you will translate. Is that okay with you?
Okay, go on. Read.
Rabbi Mordechai schmeichelt die Sonne Israel, sie sehnen mir Sage Chamorim dem Koach, was Esther vermagt in Hamed.
In Hemd.
Hemd? Vermagen nicht Tuisan Geboirim. Tuisan Geboirim.
Yes. Okay, so, okay, Rafael, she asked if you can translate it.
Sure. Reb Mordechai, he's smiling. The enemies of Israel, they are, as far as I'm concerned, just fine donkeys. The strength that Esther has just in her clothing, 1,000 strong people do not possess.
Okay, thank you. Maurice, will you finish reading the poem?
Der stellt dem Zeige, this one sets his watch, mit Hashem in der Früh, with God willing in the morning, as Gott wird schenken das Leben, if God grants us life, wird gehen zu ihr durch der Hintertür. He would go to her through the back door, und wird an Eize geben, and he'll give her advice. Und Esther, a Leben auf ihr Kopf, and Esther, blessing on her head. Sie wird schon bei Melech Poil. She can get what she wants from the king. As all mebatel machen dem Gezer, he'll annul the decree was hat allein befallen, that he himself had decreed. Reb Mordechai schleppt die Stiefel ahop. Mordechai drags his boots down und tut sich a rege verklären. And for a minute he stops to think und hört sich ein, and he listens. Wie billen die Hint, that how the dogs are howling. Auf zu die Habstige Stern, up to the fall stars of the fall, the autumn.
Okay, and we have
Mina.
the last one.
Mina,
Yes.
I just wanted to point out that, he was writing in the 1930s when the Poles were passing more and more vicious anti-Semitic laws, even before the Nazis got there. They couldn't do this, they couldn't do that. And when Achashverosh is standing at the window and he's dreaming up how he's going to get the Jews, he uses the word Jiddis, and the word Jiddis is specifically what's the word? It's an insulting word for Zhidji. The real word for Jews is Zhidji, but he uses the word Jiddis, like the dirty Jews.
Okay, thank you, Maurice. Yeah. Okay, so that's the last one that I prepared, and let's start. The Meister von Foto Probe die Side. So I think I'll read. So the Master von Foto is he makes a meal. He's celebrating a meal. So
let me just point out, Van Fosse is the tailor master. He's in charge of all the tailors at the workshop.
Yeah. So he's not from the Megillah. He's from Manger's Megillah, but not from the Esther's Megillah. So der Alter Meister von Foto wischt ab mit dem Tichel die Brill und sagt zu seinen Gesellen, bin ihm es dick und still. So the old master von Fota is wiping his glasses with the handkerchief, and he tells Gesellen, what is Gesellen? Apprentices?
Apprentices.
Apprentices, yeah. And he is telling his apprentices quietly, and Ben Imusdik is Nunaim, nicely, yeah, guys.
Truly, Emis?
Yeah.
Truly there, Emis?
No.
No?
There is no MS. No, it's nicely, in a nice tone, quietly.
Pleasant.
Is heißt es, Omen Aroshe, hat sind in geeinem Agast, und man regelt ihm in Smole, wie Farazar Roshe passt. So it means Oman, the evil one, is now a guest in Gehenim, in hell. And they are frying him. Smole is Zephet is tar. And so they are frying him in tar as it fits to such an evil one. Zwei gestuppelte Gehenim Shamushem mit Reute Peyes und Bird schmeißen ihm alle mal unter, wie a Potchove Fer. Two Shamushem from El. What is gestuppelte is like bended?
Pockmarked.
Pockmarked, okay. With red Peyes and the bird, and they are hitting him every time like a horse. But what is a potchove? It's a Polish word. Anyone knows?
No.
So like something, a horse. I didn't look it up, sorry. Mit Iden geht sich scheppen, is going to mess with Jews, und mit seiner machtigen Gott, and with their almighty God. Tzadok, shit unter Smole, so one of them, Tzadok, pour some more tar out dem dozigen idiot, on this idiot. Okay, so Rafael, will you continue? Rafael, will you continue?
Sure, yeah. Der alte Meister von Fossa wischt ab mit dem Tichel die Brill. The old master von Fossa, he wipes with a handkerchief his glasses. Und wendet sich zu der Tochter benehmes dick und still. And he turns now to his daughter pleasantly and quietly. Du, Chana Dvoire, mein Tochter, du mögst schon greiten zum Tisch. Well, Chana Dvoire, my daughter, you can set the table. Die Hammentaschen, die Mundlich, und dem Same Iker, die Fish. You can set out the Hammentaschen, the poppy seed cakes, and the most important thing, the fish. Und wieder zu die Gesellen, nu Chevre, wo steht das still? And again, he turns to the apprentices. Well, folks, why are you standing there silent? Macht's a l'chaim, Chevre, und nimmt sich zum Purimspiel. So make a l'chaim, folk, and take yourselves to the Purimspiel. Blitzen die Käuses und klingen. The glasses glitter and resound. L'chaim farnodel and schwer. L'chaim for the needle and scissors. For Esther, der greener Metzia. For Esther, the green treasure. And for ein Melech, dem Leckish bear. And for the king, the Leckish bear, imbecile. Nor Chana Dvoire, die Tochter, steht beim Fenster und tracht. But Chana Dvoire, his daughter, she's standing at the window and thinking, wie viel Sterne Steger vermag das a Purim Nacht? How many stars, after all, does such a Purim night contain?
Okay. So that's done.
Bravo.
Thank you, Michael.
Lekker Sper, der was läuft dahin nachher.
Huh, I didn't know this one.
Yeah, that was a little ditty I learned as a child. And the lekker Sper, der Achterhänsen linken Euer.
And the reason why Lekish goes with bear is because apparently the word Lekish is the Lithuanian word Lokish, which means bear.
Oh. Hey.
Okay. Okay. So eins ist Purim, morgen ist euch. Gib mir a Groschen, warf mich heraus. So that's how they used to start, you know, the Purim spielen in the Städtler. So.
Dank mir, das ist gewesen sehr schön.
Yeah.
You know that I love Purim, you know.
I want to say thank you. This was such a wonderful session. Just
Yes,
well, thank you.
terrific.
A lot of
Great
work
conversation.
put into it. Thank you.
Yeah, and thank you to Michael, because I couldn't do the technology, so Michael did the technology this time. And anyway, we have so many holidays that are sad and whatever. Purim, at least, is Freilich.
There was another part to that ditty that I learned. Heintes Purim morgen is euch, give me a Groschen und warf mich heraus. Nehmt de Mama a Feiertopf, hackt dem Taten in den Kopf, sucht die Mama oi oi oi, sucht die Tate oi oi oi, sucht die Mama hitasoi. Anybody ever hear that one?
No, never heard it after the two, you know, the two stanzas. I never heard the continuation. That's wonderful. That's really nice. Okay, thank you guys. Thank you.
And
Thank you for all the hard work.
Scheinen Dank.
Thank you.
Maurice, you wanted to say something, you know?
Chag
Sehr
Sameach,
schön,
beautiful.
sehr schön.
Chag Sameach, yeah. Maurice wanted to say something before we...
No, Scheinen Dank.
That's it. I thought that you have something to refer to.
No.
Ja, ich werde sagen, allemal, es ist ein sehr Vergnügen von mir.
Dank.
Selbe von mir.
I am happy. I'm really happy. So, yeah.
By the way, Beverly sent the link to Isabel's arrangement of Sabret. It's really good.
Yeah, okay. I haven't listened to it yet.
You
Yeah,
should listen. It's
I
really-
wasn't able
she's-
to open it for some reason. I'm still
Huh.
struggling with it.
I think it's just YouTube or something. It's
on YouTube.
It's-
Yeah.
it's really first class composition for sure.
Okay. So
Yeah.
Thank you.
Yeah, we will let her know. We will let Isabel know. Yeah.
Dus die kommen
okay.
dicke Woche.
Yeah, in the Komendike Woche. Komendike Woche, we are back to Shalom Ash and his stories. And now I have something to strive for, to do in class all those writers that we saw in the Major
Wow.
So that's
Great.
Allebei.
it's a big,
It will keep you busy.
yeah, and me and you, yeah. Okay, guys. Happy
Thank you.
Purim. See you next time.
Heilige Purim.
Bye.
Hag Sameach.
Chag Sameach. Bye.